Welcome back to another quick tip session at the Pipeline Academy. Wondering why your customers ignore your emails? A lot of times it's because your emails provide no value to the customer. Here's what I mean. Here's an example of a typical new customer welcome email. See, this email is very impersonal and offers no real information for the customer, which means the customer will probably just ignore it. So let me show you how Pipeline can make this better for you and your customer. Here in my example pipeline flow, this step sends out the welcome email. And I'm going to use content variables to personalize this email, starting with the greeting. Let's click the Content Variables and Formulas icon. Under System Variables, let's add the step owner name, because this is the name of the person who will receive this email. I'm also going to copy this into the subject line. Why? Because adding the person's name here can increase the open rate of your email by almost 15%. Okay, now let's get rid of this generic sentence and put in the actual project start date, which I collect in an earlier step using a form. Go to Form Field Variables, which shows me all the form fields that I can add to this email, and let's pick project start date. Save, and the content variables are right here, which Pipeline will automatically fill in for me. Here's what the welcome email was before any personalization, and look at the difference after. Alright, if you like this tip, click on this related video on how Pipeline content formulas can make this email even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.